Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Now that Katazile and CD have mended their ways and sat down, bakuluma and hashed whatever challenges that they had and now are becoming cordial, there's another problem that is mushrooming. Fagazile decided to go and tell uKhata ukuthi hey phela indoda yakho yangixoxa kubhizinisi this and that your husband this and that athi hayi ayifani nodonga lento athi yake huye ke obekahambela phambili huye okhulumayo athi hayi man udonga athi yes you're one and only donga likamavuso mina bengiza la ngizokutshela ukuthi ube careful because if they were able to do it to me they can be able to do it to you. Khathazile athi hayi khulileka udonga will never do that to me athi hawu girl ngikutshela ukuthi wenzeni but nonetheless uzozibonela mase kuyithele yakho ngoba mina bangikhiphile kubhizinisi abangifuni azame ke uncubeka ukuyoxolisa athi uthi hayi kungaxoliseki umakazi vele at this point bese kumele ukuthi athi I told you so, like right, I told you so was the only thing that is missing from umakazi's lips. Hayi vele indaba yakhona kube ngathi injalo akwati ufakazile ayobatshela ukuthi akayifuni le deal makafike eshaba snacks asathi uzobatshela ukuthi yazi nale deal yenu yokunuka hambanele buza ke thola uNdumiso ahlele officeini lakhe bathe welcome Ndumiso bamupha kwa office kwasani kunothidi lapho kujatshuliwe bathi hayi wena sizokubhaya out uthanda ungathandi nje khululeka breathe nje when uyaphuma kule company. So at this point Fakazile uphethwe yilento emphethe ukuthi kanjani like how can uNqubeko do this to me, but yes uNqubeko in real umdididile like umdididile unexpectedly. So question is how will she retaliate?